a simple PowerPoint cut DIY. I need to change my blade. Time to change my blade. DIYs. Dog's barking, doesn't like the sudden noise. You get that? What can you do? I've got to get my rubbish man to collect the rubbish in a couple of days. He's got a good load. That's fairly worn. It's got what, three cracks in it. One there, one there, one there. You get that? It's done quite well. Well, very well. They're only a $20 blade. So done very well. Hope I've got it centered nicely. I'm out of center. It's not on the shaft. I'll try a different way. That's better. Right, throw that out. Put my spanner up there so I don't lose it. And we're off again. Don't bash it too hard. See all right. This is a soft tile, so I didn't have to wear my blade in. Sometimes you need to wear a brand new blade in a little, so you cut into a brick or a nice piece of sandstone. Get your blade nice, but these are a soft tile, so I didn't have to do that. Okay, we'll see you soon. See ya.